Hi guys, this is Carol from Lily Rose Blue. I came out here outside. This is in my neighbor's yard, and I just found this to be such a peaceful, cool thing to watch. I don't know. It's a little breezy. We had a storm go through. I don't know that you can. Can you see, I'm going to move all of the bees that are on or hovering around these flowers here. I don't know if you can see them or not. I've lost count. They're 15 at least. And I'm just so grateful. I am a bee. I don't like them when they sting me. I do have reactions, so I'm careful. But when I admire bees because, first of all, they should not be able to fly, but yet they do, which is super cool. They defy aerodynamics. The other thing about bees is, we need bees for life. They pollinate our food. And, we've not done well by our bees, by all of the chemicals that we use. And we mow our grass. We absolutely mow our grass. But I do not, much to my husband's chagrin, he's not quite on the same page as me. We do not put chemicals on our yard. We have clover in our yard. We have creeping Charlie, which blooms. I know my neighbor isn't always very happy with us because we don't treat our yard. We try to make sure that that the creeping Charlie doesn't go into their yard. But it's native. It's native to Iowa. It provides pollen for our bees, which then supplies us with our food. So I am a bee proponent, I guess I should say, or advocate. Let's see if I can. I don't know. There you go. Now you can see this guy. There's a few. There you can see him flying around a little bit more. I don't want to get any closer. Like I said, I am being cautious. And I don't mean to be preachy either. I just found this to be a beautiful sight today when I was taking a break from work and trying to do a little de-stressing. And I wanted to share that with you. And, don't go away. I want to take your picture. Don't go away, guy. There you are. Yeah. Anyway, guys, you have a good day. I hope you enjoyed this video, de-stressed a little bit. Please hit like, hit subscribe, and I very much appreciate it. And everybody take care and bless you all.